It cannot be stressed enough. Lighting is crucial to making your videos high quality. There's no amount of editing, color changing, or anything that you can really do to video that was shot with bad lighting afterwards. Camera sensors react to light, so the difference between a lit and a non-lit video can be huge. There are different lighting colors you should use for different things. Warm light brings out skin tone and makes your picture warmer. Blue light will highlight cooler temperatures and will make your video look colder. Much like the levels in color, your video tones will change based off the amount of lightness or darkness that you add to the tone. Normal white light, or a light with a diffuser on it, lights up things well, but can also wash out your subject. The tone of your lights can definitely affect the final outcome, so make sure that you have the one specific for the shoot that you're trying to do. And our last tips are where to place your lights. If you're shooting a hair video and you want consistency between your light sources, try and find a good position for your light in relation to the guest's head and stick with it. Remember, they will be turning, so try and keep your light located at the same point when they turn, or in other words, pick an anchor point for your light and follow it. I choose an anchor point on my guest usually like a shoulder, so if she moves during the service, the light will move with her. If doing an interview, an expose, or anything else, it's best to have 2 or 3 lights. If you only have one in a pinch, use it to light your subject, right in the middle, just like your favorite vloggers. Assuming you prepared the 3 lights, one is to fill the background and remove shadows. One is to light the subject. And then there's an extra soft one if you'd like, though that's not necessary. And finally, you'll need your software to edit. This one's easy. I'm sure all of you have used a video editor before. Even if you clip the end of a saved video on your phone, technically you're doing video editing. Usually a minute of footage, depending upon your edit, can take anywhere from 5 minutes to 45 minutes to edit. So if you keep your videos under 3 minutes like most people, it shouldn't be difficult to actually produce content fairly regularly. The easiest editing tools to get started immediately are iMovie if you're an iMac or an iPhone user, or Movie Maker 10 for Windows. They're both free with your computer or your phone, and you may just need to download them from the App Store if you're on Windows. If you want to shoot a vertical video for transformations, people on Instagram and Facebook are used to having shorter videos, so making the content double speed and the final reveal either at the beginning of the video or relatively quick towards the end are your most effective ways to produce content. YouTube is all varieties, from long-form educational videos to vlogs to unboxings to quick transformations. The trick is consistency across platforms, so the more you can create consistent content across platforms, the more likely you are to succeed. I use Adobe Premiere Pro, which is a professional editing software like Photoshop, but it's built for video. If you're serious about promoting your business and having the best tools at your disposal, Adobe Premiere Pro and Apple Final Cut are your go-to video software. Almost every film since 2000 was produced on those 2 softwares. They run as subscriptions for about $20 a month. I want to leave the creativity up to you, which is why I don't want to go too deep into editing, aesthetics, or lighting. But I'm always available for brainstorming or questions how to present your personal page. Any extra comments, questions, or tips on how to make this video better, please shoot them to my email below. Thanks.